Hey guys, welcome back to REC, where we talk all things audio production and sound. Whether you're a rapper, producer, visual artist, R&B singer, or blending genres, this video is gonna be great for you. Today, we are breaking down how to create a powerful artist identity and build a brand book that grows with you. Hi, I'm Darianna Everett. I'm a singer, songwriter, producer, and REC grad. Let's go. Number 1, define your core purpose. First up, your core purpose. What drives you to create? This is the fuel behind everything you do. For example, a rapper might say, I speak the truth of what I see in the streets, and I'm a voice for the unseen. A producer could say, I create soundscapes that help people feel alive. So for step 1, here's what you're gonna do. Complete the sentence, my art exists too. Don't overthink it, just write what feels real. Number 2, choose your identity words. Now, let's pick your identity words, the 3 to 5 words that define your artistic vibe. These will guide everything from visuals to tone. For example, a rapper's word could be gritty, raw, and unfiltered, whereas a folk singer could be surreal, precise, chaotic. So I want you to put on your music and listen to it, and then I want you to write down 10 words that reflect your vibe. Narrow it down to your top 3 to 5. These are your guiding principles. 3, craft your visual and sonic world. Let's talk about your visual and sonic world. How does your work look and sound? This is your signature. For example, a heartbroken R&B artist might lean into those deep blues and have a handwritten font, whereas a hip-hop artist might use bold fonts and street-style visuals. Create a mood board with 10 to 15 images, fonts, and colors that feel like your sound. This is your visual vibe. Number 4, share your artist story. Your artist story connects you to your audience. It's more than a bio, it's your myth. For instance, a spoken word artist might say, I started writing to process grief. Now that's how I speak to the world. So I want you to write 3 short paragraphs. 1, where you started. 2, a turning point. And 3, where you're headed. Clarify your core message. Now, what's your core message? What do you want people to feel and understand through your art? A metal singer might say, I make art to question reality and the status quo. Whereas a producer might say, I want people to lose themselves in sound. I want you to finish this sentence. The message behind my work is, stay consistent but fluid. Consistency builds trust, but keep it flexible. Your brand should be recognizable no matter where it shows up. For example, a producer using space imagery and ambient tones can carry that theme through visuals, merch, and social content, even as their sound evolves. Look at your last 6 posts, and I want you to see if they really reflect your artist identity, your brand's words. If not, where can you align more? Number 7, build your artist identity brand book. Finally, let's create your artist identity brand book. This is your playbook for everything. It's a living document that evolves with you. So what goes into it? It is your purpose, your identity words, your mood board, your backstory, and your core message. So I want you to create a Google Doc or a Canva file and call it My Brand Book. Or if you have a nickname or something that you go by that evokes something deep within you, like for instance, I was given a few nicknames when I was little. There's Darstar, Kaboomba, Little Fairy. All of those evoke a lot within me and they speak to my aesthetic and my sound. So all of that, I maybe would title it Darstar's brand book. Do something that feels like it immediately evokes something within you. This brand book will be used for you to reference anytime you're posting or creating content, for you to build your entire brand visual identity around this. Make sense? So I want you to have 3 sections. There'll be the identity, the visuals, as well as the voice. You'll keep adding and evolving it over time. So I really encourage you to take time out of your day, maybe like 30 minutes, an hour, and just really sit when you do this process. Listen to your songs, dive deep into you and your sonic world and what that means and what you want to evoke, what you want to share. All this is super important for you to share who you are effectively. This brand book will then be useful for any projects that you do, any sort of content, if you're working with videographers, any campaigns you're doing. You then can refer to this and it'll be the roadmap for everything that is you. So, announcement! All right, guys, mark your calendars. May 10th, 3 p.m. Eastern Time is our next live stream mix and song critique. Put it down, submit your tracks. I want to hear it. So that's 3 p.m. Eastern Time, May 10th. Be there, or I guess watch the replay, but it's so much more fun if you're there. Anyway, you can submit your tracks to darianna.listentomytrack at gmail.com. I will include all of the directions that you need in the description, so follow those. There's a few pieces of information I'd like. And if this topic is interesting to you and you have further questions, it's a great time for you to get on there, ask me some questions. I'll be hanging out a little bit before, a little bit after, and just really taking some time just to talk with you guys. So if ever there's any questions you want to ask me, by all means, go. This last series on socials and artist identity came from our discussion in the live stream. So it's lots of fun. People will also give helpful commentary on your songs and suggestions. And yeah, submit your tracks. I want to hear them. So it's darianna.listentomytrack@gmail.com. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I am slightly recovering from being sick, so sorry if my energy's a little bit lower, but I'm super looking forward to the live stream, and I will be seeing you guys in the next one. Bye.